Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the 10 AI dark theories. These are some of the most disturbing and thought-provoking ideas about the future of artificial intelligence, and it's important to be aware of them as we continue to develop this technology. Theory 1. The Singularity. The Singularity theory suggests that AI could reach a point where it surpasses human intelligence. This would create a scenario where AI systems can improve themselves without human intervention, potentially leading to unpredictable and potentially catastrophic outcomes. Theory 2. Job displacement. AI's increasing capabilities have led to concerns about massive job displacement. Detailed examination is vital to understand how AI may replace traditional human roles, leading to economic shifts and requiring comprehensive retraining and reskilling programs. Theory 3. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, which can lead to discrimination in various applications such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement. In-depth exploration is necessary to identify, mitigate, and prevent bias in AI systems to ensure fairness and equity. Theory 4. Lack of accountability. Determining responsibility when AI makes critical decisions is challenging. Delving into this theory helps us establish frameworks for accountability and ethical AI development, crucial for avoiding chaos and harm. Theory 5. Privacy invasion. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data raises concerns about privacy invasion. Detailed examination involves discussing data protection laws, surveillance, and the trade-offs between technological advancement and individual privacy. Theory 6. Autonomous weapons. The development of AI-powered autonomous weapons introduces ethical and moral dilemmas. In-depth exploration involves discussing the necessity of regulations and international agreements to prevent AI from being used for destructive purposes. Theory 7. Existential risk. Some theorists argue that AI could pose an existential threat to humanity. Comprehensive examination involves assessing scenarios where AI may surpass human control and the measures needed to mitigate this risk. Theory 8. Manipulation and deepfakes. AI's ability to create convincing deepfakes and manipulate information raises concerns about misinformation and manipulation. Detailed understanding is vital to develop tools and strategies for identifying and countering these threats. Theory 9. Loss of human skills. Over-reliance on AI could lead to a decline in essential human skills such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. In-depth exploration involves discussing how to strike a balance between AI assistance and preserving human capabilities. Theory 10. Uncontrolled development. Without proper regulations and ethical guidelines, AI development could spiral out of control. In-depth examination is crucial to ensure responsible AI advancement, addressing issues related to safety, ethics, and societal impact. In conclusion, exploring these 10 dark theories of AI in a specialized and detailed manner is essential to anticipate challenges, formulate ethical guidelines, and shape the future of AI in a responsible and beneficial way. These theories provoke thoughtful discussions that can guide policymakers, researchers, and developers towards creating a positive AI-powered future.